You got your first salary, you're proud of it. But if you let it sit in a bank account, it's not growing, it's dying. Chanakya warned about this exact mistake 2,300 years ago. Wealth has three paths: enjoyed, given, or destroyed. Money neither used nor invested takes the third path. It quietly rots. Hoarded wealth, he said, is as good as dead. Moving money doesn't mean spending, it means putting it to work. Mutual funds, a side business, or a new skill. Money that works for you while you sleep. That is money in motion. Invest 5,000 rupees a month from age 22, and by 45 it could be 50 lakhs. The hoarder in a savings account, they'd have a fraction of it. Same money, different life. But moving money isn't gambling or chasing hype. It's moving wisely and consistently. A river flows steadily. It does not crash recklessly. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. Time plus motion beats a big salary every time. Start small, but start. Follow for more.